Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make flan from Box Royal Easy Guide. Open the box and lay out all ingredients and tools. Then make caramel first by melting sugar until amber, pour into the mold, and let it set for a few minutes while you mix wet ingredients, keeping a warm, steady pace so nothing burns or overcooks during the next steps. Combine the milk and eggs exactly as directed on the box, whisking gently until streaks disappear and the mixture is homogeneous. Then pour through a fine strainer to remove bubbles and chalaza bits, which helps create a silky flan, and tap the mold lightly to settle the custard and release trapped air for an even, creamy bake that will hold its shape when chilled and unmolded. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: the containers you see here make meal prep and flan storage a breeze, perfect for transporting slices without spills. Check the description for the product link and other deals. And if you want more kitchen tips, I have matching recommendations there as well. Now let's get back to the video. Set the sealed baking dish in a deep pan and add hot water to reach about halfway up the mold. Then bake according to box timing while checking for a slight wobble at the center, which indicates perfect custard. Remove carefully from the oven. Cool uncovered briefly. Then chill in the fridge for several hours to firm up and allow flavors to meld for a clean, unmolded presentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.